It didn't hurt him, then he wasn't nervous anymore.
Are you scared? What are you going to do, Silas? Okay, take a breath.
So, hold on. Back up.
Oh gosh.
Back up just a little bit more.
Oh my gosh, my tooth hurts.
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Well, you can't hold on to it.
Close your eyes.
Don't bite down. I won't do it till you're ready, but you can't bite down. You gotta leave your mouth open. Okay, hold on. I'm making sure the distance is right. Don't put your head out. Okay.
Oh, that's
Alright, the
right.
distance is good.
Okay.
They shake. You weren't this nervous last time. Ready?
No.
Do you not want to do it now?
I want to do more.
Just close your eyes and then Daddy can count to 3.
What?
You need to.
It's just very good.
It's funny. Oh, they're shaking.
It worked. There it is. It worked.